हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप? We have covered till date ABC is a triangle. Line from vertex B and vertex A means two lines from the two different vertices, or the extension of this when another line come from another different vertex. And आज के concept वीडियो में हमें ये देखना है when we have ABC a triangle, one line from one vertex and another line from the side to side. Since we have 3 points on sides, so we need 3 ratios to find the another ratio. The question is again the same, side ratio to side ratio, but one line from one vertex say A, another lines from the other two sides AB and AC. And आज हम एक नया concept भी देखेंगे. We will use variables in MPG. Concept for this image is quite easy, but we should note one point that we should not start from point A. जहां से 3 लाइन क्रॉस कर रही है इस फिगर में, हमें इस पॉइंट पे काम नहीं करना है. We should either start from B or C. Take the ratio. Say this one is 4, this one is 3, BD is to DC is say 1 is to 1, and this say ratio is 5 is to 2. The first concept is we should not start from point A. Say start from the point B. B depends upon 4 and 1, so the B is 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So F is 7. The another concept is this 3 is not the weight of A. This is the weight of A on line AB. 4 1 4, 4 1 4. So on line BC C is 4. अब AC लाइन पे आप काम करो. 4 5 20, तो ये 2 10 20 देगा, and 20 is on line AE. So total A is 13 on line AD. There are only 3 concepts. First concept is we should not start from A, start from either B or C, get the values of A on line AB, on line AC, add these two values, that is 13 on line AD. By this we get all the weights, and weight at E is nothing but 10 plus 4 is 14. Now if they ask what is the ratio of FO upon OE is 14 is to 7. 14 इधर आएगा, 7 इधर जाएगा, that means 2 is to 1 on line AD. Our weight at D is the summation of B and C, so it's nothing but 8. So the ratio of AO upon OD is 8 is to 13, and FO upon OE is 14 is to 7. So this is the only 3 concepts. Should not start from A, start from B or C, get weight of A on line AB and AC, add the weight. I hope it is clear. Now start with the question. The question is in front of you. All are the ratios. The best is you pause the video, solve the question, then आगे move करते हैं. और with this question, you learn the concept again with me. I'll start with B. B 2 and 3, so B should be 6. 6 3 ja 18. 2 9 ja, that is on AB. It's 12. 3 4 ja 4. 4 4 ja 16 on line BC. If this one is 6, then this is 16 by 3. We get all the weights. Now the weight at F is nothing but 15. Weight at D is summation of 6 and 4 is 10. Weight at E is nothing but 16 plus 3 plus 4 is 28 by 3. So total weight on A with the help of 9 and 16 by 3 is nothing but 9 plus 16 by 3 is 27 plus 16 is 43 by 3. So the ratio is 10 should be here, 43 by 3 should be here. So the AO upon OD is 30 by 43, 28 by 3 should be here, 15 should be here. So the ratio is 28 is to 45. This is the question number 1. I hope आपने भी यही किया होगा. और you started with C. आप हो सके कुछ अलग वैल्यूज ले लो, बट फाइनल रेशियो आपका सेम आएगा. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. सो फ्रेंड्स, सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. AF FB given, AE EC given, one ratio FO OE given, means 2 outer 1 internal ratio given in this figure. One method is the old one. Take B is nothing but 2, depends upon AF and DC, but DC हमारे पास है नहीं. So say B is 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. So A should be 3 on line AB. Total F is 5. 3 plus 2. And F also depends upon FE line. यहाँ पे आपका 10 है तो ये 10 होगा. And E depends upon AC line. A should be 4. Total कितना दिया है वेट? 7. So this should be 4 out of 7 into 10. This should be 3 out of 7 into 10. Since ये आपका होना 7 चाहिए था, we get all the values. Now we need weight at D. 30 by 7 plus 4 is 44 by 7. At A, 40/7 प्लस 3 इज 61/7. 44/7 ऊपर जाएगा, 61/7 नीचे आएगा. So that is nothing but 44/61. अगर आपको ये रेशियो चाहिए देन 30/7 आपका यहाँ पे आएगा, 2 इधर जाएगा, 30:14. So this is your one way of solving this. So friends, now check the second one. Which one is better than the previous one when we have 2 outer and 1 internal ratio? Now check variable introduce कैसे करते हैं. Work on line AB. This is 2 and 3. So B should be 2x, A should be 3x, and F should be 5x. The summation of both. So we have 3x, 2x, just the reverse value. On line AC, it's again easy. That is 4y. Always take different variables. C is 3y. So we can say E is nothing but the summation of 4y and 3y is 7y. And on line FE, we have 5x, 7y. So we can say the 5x upon 7y. 5x depends upon 1, 7y depends upon 2. So x upon y is nothing but 7/10. If they ask about AO upon OD, again it's an easy one. AO depends upon D. And what is the summation of D is 2x plus 3y. So we can say this is AO is 2x plus 3y. And what about OD? OD depends upon these two values, that is nothing but 3x plus 4y. How we get this value? Since x upon y is 7/10, place x is 7, y is 10, x is 7, y is 10, and get the answer. That is 30 plus 14 is 44, and denominator is 61. So AO upon OD is nothing but 44/61. So what is the value of BD upon DC? That is 3y upon 2x, and we have x upon y, we get the BD upon DC. Solve question number 3 with the help of variable. So friends, now apply variables in this question because we cannot use values. So means we have to apply variables. B is 2x, A is 3x, F is what? 5x. In this, C is y, A is 4y, because 1 is to 4, so E is 5y. And the summation of here is what? 3x plus 4y is the summation at A. Summation at D is summation of these two, that is 2x plus y. And the ratio is y is to 2x. And the ratio 1 is to 3 is given. So on line AD, we can say 3x plus 4y weight of A, and D is 2x plus y weight of D or on D is in the ratio of 3:1. A to D is 3:1. We cross multiply, we will get 3x plus 4y is nothing but 6x plus 3y. आपका 3x इधर जाएगा, so this becomes 3x, and 4y से ये इधर आएगा तो y. So y is equal to 3x, and y by x is nothing but 3/1. We get a ratio of y upon x, and आपको अब जो भी चाहिए वो आप निकाल लो. आपसे कुछ भी वो क्वेश्चन पूछे, इफ दे आस्क अबाउट BD upon DC, दैट इज y upon 2x, आपके पास y is 3, x is 1, आप उसे पुट कर दो, आंसर आ जाएगा. इफ दे आस्क अबाउट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ FO upon OE, दैट इज y is to x, यू हैव वैल्यू, आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. माई सजेशन इज, अगर आपके 2 आउटर दिए हों और 1 इनर दिया हो जो कि A पे हो, तो वेरिएबल्स यूज कीजिए. फॉर द रेस्ट यू कैन यूज वैल्यूज. आई होप यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू. हैप्पी लर्निंग एंड थैंक यू.